Presenting the GoPro HERO9 waterproof action camera in black. Capture crisp photos, shoot stunning videos and create the imagery you have only dreamt of. Shoot videos with up to 5K resolution even with zooming in thanks to the new 23.6 megapixel sensor. Take high-quality pictures with 20 megapixel clarity. Get on your socials with live streaming in 1080p and record beautiful time-lapse scenes as you are mobile with Time Warp 3.0. With a bigger rare touchscreen with touch zoom and a dazzling fresh front display, frame your shots easily. Stabilize your videos with Hypersmooth 3.0 and automatically process your photos with Superphoto. Combine Hypersmooth with ultra-high frame rate of 1080x240 per video and delight in slow motion. Capture videos from 30 seconds before pressing record with hindsight. The camera also comes with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Despite packing a punch of high-tech features, the camera weighs a mere 131 grams and is easy to carry around. The dimensions are 2.9 into 4.8 into 6.6 centimeters and the camera comes equipped with a micro SD card. Inside the box, you will find the HERO9 Black, the battery, Type-C cable, mounting and thumb screw. The camera comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.